right, hello, my mad scrappers. I am here with a quick last minute update. I've been trying literally to shoot this for the last 4 hours or so, but Mondays are my crazy busy day at work, and when I became aware of this, I wanted to at least get to you. So let me do this. Let me make this fast. Let me make this sweet. Okay, one thing I wanted to give you the heads up, guys. I got my email. My order is shipping already, so with any amount of luck, I should have it maybe midweek by the end of the week. Yay! The bulk of my order. I have a couple more items that I am holding off and waiting for it to, I believe, although I think the craft cart has already gone live. In fact, it looks like it is. But I did want to bring you up to speed on a couple of things. Let's start with, let me move my mouse around. Let me come over here. So this is an absolute update. Okay, let me just click on my Ativan and my honey and my other one. I want to say Ativan. At this point, I think I need some. All right. Okay. I wanted to show you this because I didn't realize it until I took a peek. Companion. So let's look. I want to see the new items. Come on, come on, come on. This computer's been at it all day. Look, okay, so here is the Gemini for all of you guys that are contemplating ordering the Gemini. This is big. Free shipping. This puppy is going to ship for free. Okay, and that's the sale price now. It is $299.95 with or without the auto ship, free shipping. So I'm just going to toss that out there. I just wanted anybody who's contemplating getting it to have the heads up. It's already, so I think the craft cart has already gone live. So probably before I go, because I'm going to leave and meet a friend at Disneyland for a little bit. It's kind of a perk of having a pass and being able to get a reservation. I get to run out. So I have bad cabin fever. So we're going to go meet and grab a bite. Anyway, so having said that, I wanted you to know that. So I wanted to put the word out that it is already gone live and you can order it. Now, the next thing I wanted to bring to your attention is somebody I missed, and it just happened to come up in my YouTubes today. So this is it's on the How to Craft Network, but it is actually, oh my gosh, their brain, Stamps by Me. This, and I believe she's Aussie. I think she's an Australian, but she has some of the cutest stuff, and I'm going to try to cycle through so that you can see some of this. This is a collection I'm contemplating. I don't know. I'm not sure I'm going to take the leap. It is coming in at $29.95. Do I need it? Or is it just that I want it? And how quickly will I work with it? Which is like, yeah, right, Mayra, let's be true here. But it's really, really cool. I really like this and the next stamp set that she presents, and they are both the same price. So let me take you forward. You guys, I'm going to link you down to this video. Needless to say, in fact, I'm going to link you to everything for those who haven't seen the earlier one. But I just wanted to bring you up to speed on that. So this one, she actually demos the card she makes. This is the other collection that I think is really cute, the Spring Morning Collection. And this one doesn't, I think this does come with a bit of paper. I forget now. There you go. So you get stamps and dies and paper. So not a bad bundle for $29.95 when you think about it. So I just wanted to give you an alert. I will link you down in the description box below. I have already saved this video. It's already here. So it's already saved to my playlist. So if you want to see it, that you'll be able to find it there. Okay. And then the next thing, because there's been some confusion apparently, so I wanted to come back and revisit the LDRS, the HSN sneak peek that Angie did. I didn't really play any of it, but I mean, let me fast forward it a little bit. She does do a lot of talking, and then the big releases here, and I'm going to go ahead and hit play, but I'm taking the mute off. Is this the celebration? And it's a really cute. I'm contemplating it. I'm going to, and I need to go look. I may scoop it up. So we'll see, because I think the prices have already gone live. So I want to see. So it's one of literally 3 items that I'm contemplating, and then I'll look and see if there's a secret sale. And other than that, I'm done. So, but this is very, very cute, and it seems to be now just kits that involve empowering women and just, spotlighting women. And this one's a beautiful, paper's gorgeous. So Yeah, I don't, it might be one, but I wanted to bring you up to date to that. And then I'm going to fast forward here. So please don't get dizzy on me. And it does, and then she does also have envelopes that match the card kit. And then there's a little mini album that the album itself, the cover, all of that is being, but it's going to be in the links. So it's going to be already gone live. And I think I've linked you in my description box. So go take a look. If nothing else, just do search for LDRS and you will find it. And of course, the other thing is, again, she demos here is the box and the storage box, which is pretty darn tootin' cool. I mean, it puts together really nicely. And then there you go, see? And she's got the sleeves and everything, but she does it. I mean, I'm trying to do this just in a quick few minutes because I want to get this done and up fast and uploaded fast. If I go too long, it takes longer to upload. So that's the only reason. So I just wanted to bring you up to speed because this is so totally last minute, but I wanted you to hopefully see this for those of you that catch my videos before scrap day, before HSN craft day starts. All right. So on that note, I'm going to let you go. I'm going to get this uploaded as fast as I can. This will render very quickly because I'm keeping it under 10 minutes. So, and then it'll hopefully upload just as quickly, but I'll be gone. As soon as I get this done, I'm out of here. All right, my friends. So have a great evening. Go out. You guys are going to start watching this before I get home. Well, actually, I'm going to try to get home before 9, but I doubt it seriously. So, but that's okay. I will already have ordered what I want, and that's all I care. All right, guys. So have a wonderful evening and have a great craft day tomorrow. All right. And again, I'm going to say, if you like this video, if you appreciate the fact that I got this last minute out to you, then go ahead and at least give me a thumbs up and drop me a note if you want. If you want to see more of my madness, I'm going to always try to keep you up to date on what's going on as much as I can. Then subscribe and ring that bell because this Mad Scrapper will be back. I'll be back. All right. So I'm going to let you guys go. Again, take care. Have a great evening. Have a great day. Craft and make something beautiful while you're watching. And don't forget, we are all a little mads here. So come on, craft the madness with me. Okay. I'm going to talk to you guys later. Bye.